Yeah, welcome back to Officer Justice Day. Hey, don't be smarty. Hey, we there for another matter. They say this lady go inside where they say okay bag. Okay bag, you know okay bag na? You enter inside one shop. More than they listen to because this matter for village community to Georgia. Una go dey una go listen very well before we go fit put mouth for this one. So e don pass us now say no must bring am come outside. But our village community still dey know wetin dey happen. E go buy bag for inside so one shop like that. E don pay for the bag o. Make him carry him bag now and go. Open am. Come see say money dey inside, and this money wey we dey talk no be small money o. $1,000 and other money dey inside. As he come see the money na person wey get shop eyes come reach you there bam. Na so the woman say no, you are not going out with this money because e still dey for my shop. Say they dey check all the whole bag before money go fit, before the bag go fit comot for the shop. Now the lady say no, say him don't pay for the bag. Say anything wey dey inside the bag na him own. Hi. Oh no. The woman, the person wey buy bag as he see that money now he say, hey, na say God tell the blessed person for this hardcome wey dey Nigeria now. Sorry, hardship. Hardship, but I don't know how I take talk am more. Make they know things officer dey talk. So that's hardship wey dey Nigeria. Now the woman come say, he don't see money o. Nah. So we dey talk now. The owner of the shop say the woman no go carry that money comot for him shop again. My village community. Abeg, I want make you watch this video from beginning to end, and before we come back, come know how I want to settle this matter. Because water don't pass garri for here. Okay, watch the video before we come back.
Video this thing, maybe Nigerians go judge me. See me, I don't like problem. So I open this bag bill, as you can see. Okay. So this lady, is somebody that I even know. She came because she called me that she wants to buy bags. She came and bought bags. Now this bag, are you sure you are videoing this thing? These bags, she has already bought this bag. Actually, she has paid for it. 4,000 naira. Now, at the point of giving her the bag, because normally that's what I even tell my guests. Where una dey? Where are you people?
Madam, wait.
No, madam, don't tell me. Hold on. Madam, hold on.
Wait.
Hold on.
Do you realize that I've paid for this bag already?
I know.
So what are you saying?
Calm down. There's something I'm trying to.
I'm calm.
I'm calm. Thank you. Please, they have brought light. So now, what I'm saying now is that she has bought fine and good. She has paid for the bag. These are the two bags she wanted to collect. So now, this particular bag now, she now said this is the one she will pay for. Collecting this bag now, I say okay, because normally we search, when we want to sell anything in this shop, is there any time we don't search bags?
No.
We search bags. We even clothes sometimes when we have chance we search it. Because sometimes we find things inside. So this one now, I say okay, let me search before giving her the bag. I brought her this thing and this lady saw this money inside. Bring that man, see what it is inside. So we saw this. I see this one too.
No, now, wait.
I don't understand.
Wait, I was inside the bag.
So I don't understand. Is it your bag? Okay, it's okay.
Madam.
It's okay. So sorry. It's okay. Sorry for my tune. Now we saw this money inside the bag. I've not even checked. This one self don't
you see?
Now she dey drag am. Now this thing 30 in the first place. So we saw this money inside this bag. Now the thing is that she is saying is her stuff.
No,
because
our own now.
I tell her because she.
How is it your own?
It's our thing now.
Now that I've paid the money without even your consent, you did not even know you had something like this. How is it your own?
But we used to check now. So anything that is inside is our own.
Please, this one that you are saying now is your own business. Because give me back when I don't pay money. I don't want to drag anything with you.
Okay, I don't want now. No, please, I'm not hearing Akwa Ibom. Okay, I'm not selling the bag again. Abi?
You go to lie.
No, sell the bag again.
You never refund money give me before.
No.
Madam, don't make I drag you.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
For this bag. Please kindly give me this bag.
Okay, no. Give her a bag what she paid for. Give her a bag what she paid for.
Like, are you kidding me?
How am I going to do it?
No. Madam, leave. No do. I beg. No do am. No be you are from pay money. No do am.
Shame.
No.
This woman.
Whole what? Are you alright?
Whole what?
Our money.
Which money?
Did I put your
Have you
mouth?
touched dollar before?
Did I put your mouth?
Have you touched
Did I put
dollar
your mouth?
before?
Tell me what
Where
I
you touch
said.
this one? This one.
Come and touch now. Let me see. Madam, I beg.
I don't understand. Which kind of talk is that one?
Madam,
which kind? I don't understand.
Right, Wahala.
I don't understand.
If you don't do one, you see my face.
I don't understand.
I don't play with anybody.
I see what-
Anybody make I dey go abeg.
I see $1,000 my bag.
Hey, mom, give her this one. Now, make she carry this one.
This thing is not play now. You people should stop it. This thing is not play.
Mama, wetin me at the talk be say if she no wan carry the bag, you no wan sell again.
Okay, wait. The bag na my own, Abi. I fit choose not to sell. No be so. I will not sell it now.
Come for yourself. No worry.
Which kind this thing be that one? Who you want call?
Wait now.
No, you go
Stay
call.
for
Go
your
call
phone.
now.
You go
No,
try.
you make your call. Me too, I make my own call.
Relax
No
now.
wahala. Make your call. Me too, I make my own call. Which kind of thing is that one?
Man, like this money now, how much now?
This thing almost 2 million.
This na almost 2 million.
Are you serious?
She say no pass. Mama for me.
Be 1 point. Check dollars how much now?
No, she not much things. My height.
Video you wait till she dey talk.
As I buy that bag now, finish. I don't pay money. I am calm. I'm calm. But you
Come carry you see dollar wey we dey something wey be say my life don change.
Bag wey she don pay full.
Abeg carry.
Don't pay full for the bag. That's okay. Now the bag. I say okay, you wait. This money now.
If you don't want to say I want my money,
Yes, I said that bag. With where is that necklace? There is who carried? I don't want find necklace.
Mama, wetin she dey report? What she dey report? Sister, wetin happen? Mama,
Where
wetin
is
dey
the
happen?
necklace now?
Go and ask her.
I don't understand.
Give it to somebody.
Esther.
Esther, don't lost so.
Now wait the
you
necklace.
don't give me necklace, so.
Now.
I did not give you.
No, I just got that money here.
And they have collected the necklace.
necklace?
Now.
Which necklace?
Wait
There
till
was a
inside this
necklace.
thing now.
Take your seat.
Now, madam, don't train una finish. If una like, go hide am for toilet. You go, madam, don't train all of una like this finish. If you like, go hide am for your pint. When time reach, na me bread go comot am.
We no dey see for you.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Na mama dey here.
Who's the money?
Na mama.
See, she buy the bag. You understand? You know, say okay. Normally, now she was not here when this matter started. Okay, now normally, before we sell, especially bags, what do we do to them?
They check am.
Okay, now we
check the bag.
Yes, because it's our bill.
It's our bill.
We need to check out the
Why
bag.
you didn't still check before I came?
No.
You just open bail.
You just open this bag bail.
So for your mind,
No, now, we dey always check am now. We never even arrange the bag. See where we dey arrange the bag.
Oh, check am where? Time never
Okay,
reach.
mother, I no understand.
I don't know. Okay, on a normal day, you the video. Wait,
Like, are you even videoing me?
no, now let's no. We need.
Why is she videoing
Madam,
me?
no. Even we have camera in this office, so that one is.
Madam, why are you videoing me?
No,
now? Why are you videoing me? Why are you videoing me?
We need to ask. We need to ask.
Madam, the thing just don't video you get the money.
No, do you get the money? No, that you get. Now you get money. Now you get money.
that.
If they make call outside, who they call? They call police.
You consign you.
Now my bill.
Which police now?
What we dey talk with them?
You go reach police, then she dey go.
We don't want
Okay.
Okay, now we get back to do.
No wahala. Make she come carry the bag, make she no pay.
I don't need
Carry the 4,000 she brought.
Hey, mama, no be smarty. Who should they call?
I don't know. How many we dey for here?
What is she saying? What is
She dey call person don't too day. Where the person
The
day?
person dey.
We hear wetin she dey talk.
Sister Frida. Let her go talk to your madam one. I dey.
Madam, God, you want to tell you this thing and make it work.
It's okay. Let's settle this matter.
Mama, this is our money. Take.
This is the money you gave to us.
So she-
You take it. We'll give you that.
I need this bag, including the things that I
And they come and say, Mama, thank God say the money, you no give her, say make she search am.
You don't say the money they inside the bag she won't buy.
I know the technique, the know wetin dey happen for this shop, our shop. You
I don't pay
understand?
money for this thing, no, before she say she wants search.
Now she get search am now because she give
search
you.
am our bag.
Yes,
You dey
that's
see
what we
things
get.
inside normally.
You dey see things inside.
I've seen gold chain.
Like, are you
before.
being real right now? So why is this 1,000 now killing your head?
I don't understand why you even be insulting me. You never start like that. Don't let me call chain because of you. See, I dey tell you.
You see this
Nothing they make you dey beg. That's nothing they make you dey
I don't
beg.
use and they play.
Okay.
Look my eye, I don't fit look your face
Madam,
two times.
you don't
You dey hear me, ba?
They go.
I bet you don't give me money, give me my money, come on,
Come dey go.
abeg.
You dey my shop. Come
No,
dey
she
go.
said make you give her money.
Give me back, give me money.
The money wey you give me.
Now the money where I don't get buy something be this. Now wait till where the thing where I buy.
I still am not saying.
Where the thing where I buy. Where the money where the necklace where I see inside.
See the bag.
See they drag gold. You never seen gold before.
Leave am.
You don't see God before.
Your own, no be your own.
Hey, you better not talk am.
I don't say she don't spoil all of una, but leave me with am.
How she get spoiled?
Make we drag
Where you
am
get
together.
the
They hear me,
information
ba?
from?
Make you get the money, make I dey go.
Where you get am from? That information no clear. I don't understand.
Can you go inside? I don't see $200 before. $200 I don't see before. I don't see chain. I don't see so many things. So we know they use all those things play. They always they check. Eh?
You always be check exactly. We dey check before anything. I don't understand. You see the
Whether she don't call you or come for us.
Welcome back. Our village community, I don't see am now, but officer go still talk. The way I don't talk inside before I say my car and come outside. Madam, I beg you, if na me I go share the money. No, half, or 1/4, so that I will give that woman small. I take small, because if that woman no open that bag, he just put her freestyle, come degele come outside. Madam, you no go know say money dey inside that your bag wey they sell. Yes, I don't go buy your credit card money. I not toss officer they will your credit card. I put a hand inside. I bring $100. And so the large we get that market. They come tell me say, officer, make I bring the $100. I remove my C-pass. I tear it. I don't come out. When I allowed you go kai when on your minute, when you go look back like this, you know see officer again. Officer don't cover. That's why I take around that day for my own side. So madam, I beg, this money you no suppose hold am say na your money, because never come out for your shop. If that bag say you dey sell am, if you know say that bag na mistaken money wey you both forget for inside bag, but you just give a small thing for inside, so that peace go there. And madam may no get big eyes, because our village community will get big cell where we go put you. So however, my people, may you still contribute to put for inside this matter, and we know how what you go judge. If na you, tell me what you go do. If na you now dey for my show and want make I join this matter now, tell me what you want make I talk. I go talk am. That's all it be. Share the video, not forget to share.